Sound like
Tattoo gang, what's good? Out here in Chandler getting the whip wash. Get to meet up with Mr. Organik today. Dope dude, been watching all his videos, bought his book. Always invest in myself, man. Bought all Ty Lopez courses. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Show that love. Out here getting the whip wash real quick before I link up. You know I got a tattoo to do, so y'all see that in the video too. Quick little spinal cord lick. Make sure y'all check it out. Grab some of the merch, Hood Dreams, Black Business. Make sure y'all support that movement. Also follow my IG down below. Show some love. Let me show y'all the whip out here though. Getting clean real quick for the link up. It's 100-something damn degrees out here. So go crazy one time. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Show that love. Follow me. Y'all gonna catch it later on in the video today. All love. Stay paying attention. Tattoo gang was good. Entrepreneur gang was good. Gargoyle gang.
hey, have no fear. Shoot, Mr. Organic, organiclifestyle.com. Sound like a young Al Green before the beast through the high on his chest, man.
Plus you fucked him up all day long, man. Let's start this boy up, Joe. I've been manifesting, man. My boy in the building. Come on now. I heard y'all say I had to make a name. I ain't make no name yet. But it's funny, my first car, gray, our shop called 7 Shades of Gray.
Ooh.
So I don't know what to call it. We call ourselves sharks, but I don't know what to call it. And I say it's gray and we want to eat, so it got the gray with the blood. I don't know what the hell. Great white, there you go. Oh, Jaws.
Because you know that's that big ass shark and they got the blood in the water. He eating, you eating.
Oh yeah.
Anything, everything. Jaws,
oh yeah. Y'all heard that Jaws in the building. Go crazy.
Christian it Jaws. That's what that is.
Yeah, go crazy.
Shark in the water, man. It's sink or swim. Niggas don't know how important that is in life, man. You just got to jump in that ocean, nigga. I'm not gonna die, or I'm gonna make it to the other side, man. I ain't never not made it to the other side. So sink or swim, man. Welcome Jaws to the Gargoyle gang, man. Like
Jaws, man. Gargoyle gang was good.
Yes,
motivation right here, Joe. It's a blessing to meet him.
Man, I appreciate it.
Real dude. All them haters, Joe, y'all can keep hating. That means it's something great.
Got to, man.
First ones to start YouTube. Reason I'm on YouTube right now. And you know I'm gonna be blessing y'all with the game too. I always give it to y'all all day long. So I'm gonna be blessing y'all with the game too. So
Arizona boy, how did them goddamn life,
with
man?
these black seats, I need that red interior.
Yeah. All about it. Backyard custom materials get you right.
That one real. He killed his.
Yeah, he went crazy.
Y'all gonna need to check that out, man. If y'all ain't on this man page, what y'all waiting on? He got that masterclass coming soon too, so y'all better pay up.
I got y'all too, man. It's
yeah, look, Mr. Organic in it, man. Get that shit off Eco.
That's what it was. Stop playing me, man. I'm going full throttle on these hoes, man. Got to.
All day.
Arizona heat ain't shit, ain't nothing to play with, man.
No, but y'all remember what I was telling y'all yesterday when old boy was taking me around talking about the black history of Arizona.
Right. He broke it down?
You broke it down, man. Put me on the game, man.
I need to hear this.
One of the first black governors in Arizona started in Chandler.
Shout out to Chandler.
I don't got the guy name, but I hit it down below. He the first black boxer, the boxer Ali, to put Chandler on the map. He was in Chandler too. They segregated before the schools was all segregated. They was the first ones to put black people in school 5 years before they even did it.
For real?
Yeah.
Shout out to Arizona. I know there's one of the last one to get Martin Luther King Day.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Big races out here though, don't get it twisted.
Yeah, it's country.
But they ain't gonna say it to your face.
They ain't gonna be sneaky with it.
You know, in the city when we speak.
Trump City.
For
sure.
Yeah, they know how to write them taxes off out here too, so.
Oh, yes.
Get on y'all credit, get on y'all taxes.
This is like where the mobsters like this, they snitch and they move out here. You know what I'm saying? My most niggas tell me the bull was out here. You know what I'm saying? This that getaway.
Yeah, but a lot of people come out here and try to act tough, man. Leave that in your city, man. Come out here and get this money.
This is chill city, man. This is where you get money. This is where you relocate and build something different, man.
Big motivation out here, man. You see palm trees and mugs living in the mountains.
Yeah, the mountains crazy. That's why I said I changed my life when I moved. That's why I became a grown man when I moved to Phoenix. You know what I'm saying? I reconfigured my life, even though it was streetwise initially, but I reconfigured that to this real life. You know what I mean? I became a real man. And I got a deep admiration for Phoenix. You know, my mom still lives here. And I most likely I'm gonna buy a house here too. You know what I mean? So I love Phoenix. But get your money, man. Stop trying to be tough. Stop even trying to be cool. Cause you know a lot of downfall of niggas is trying to be cool.
Impressing others.
Oh my God, instead of really getting to it.
Yeah, you gotta get to it, invest.
Right. Believe in yourself, really do something. Like some people say fake it to make it, which is actually a good thing if you're trying to make it. The people you don't like is people that's faking it to fake it. They got no end game. They just doing shit trying to look cool. But if you really was doing that shit you acting like you was doing, you would be accomplishing something.
He ain't killing the game like I told y'all, man. I'm 33.
Come on, man.
I never grabbed a car note, you know what I'm saying? I took my $35,000, invested into something that's helping others, giving back, you know what I'm saying? And everybody learning how to tattoo to make this $100K a year and kill a game. Easy numbers. So y'all want to talk about that street stuff, take the numbers out the streets.
Right.
And then bring it to your business, kill a game. My man's got every business you could think of.
Everything, man. And I came from the streets with it. If I could, you know, sell drugs, if I could willing to shoot people and do all this wild stuff and kicking people doors for some drugs, when I could just make my own corner on the internet and then sell unlimited products that is no laws are being broken, why not do that? Take that same energy, same mindset and do it the legal way.
And he say unlimited products, you ain't gotta run it back. Every time you get your merch, you know what I'm saying, anything you got, you could go sell it, man. Right. Easy, simple. Everything. It's $80, man, to go sell something on the corner. Right. You feel me? You ain't gotta run back to big homie. You are the big homie.
You are the big homie, man. You could get a t-shirt and make more money on that than a couple ounces of coke or crack, whatever you're trying to break down. You get you about 100 shirts, man. You know what I'm saying? Break them down through that month. You'll make some bread, $40 a piece, man. Yeah. And you can keep building from there. Not only is you get the money, but you're building the brand, longevity.
Nasty brand, and that's why he say from the seed. You know what I'm saying? Man. You gotta plant it, gotta water it, watch it, take its time, man. But when it grows, my boy, he put in the book, like Jack and the Beanstalk, that pairs in the clouds. So stay motivated, man. Stay on y'all stuff.
Man. Be Jack, man. You know, plant that seed and climb up the top. Kill the giant, nigga. Take over the castle. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to plant that bean, man. And remember, it's okay to be under. People say they from the mud. When you from the seed, man, you under the mud. You use the mud to grow. So it's all right.
And that mud got that water in it.
They got that nutrients.
Got that blood in it. You know what I'm saying?
Especially somebody else use that fertilizer. That's somebody else.
Yeah.
I use your shit to grow. I look at you went through and used that to capitalize on it.
He fertilized me.
Come on, man. And that's
mentally.
what you're supposed to do, man.
From the seed for real.
That's what you're supposed to do,
Middle child, man. Niggas gang banging, drug dealing. I decided, hey, I'm a tattoo. My brother did 7 years. I got smart.
And you
what I look like?
Too, man. Good
what I look like? Appreciate it, bro. Got a long way to go, but still working every day, killing the game, and I'm willing to help y'all kill a game.
Right.
Got to invest in yourself.
Right.
Invest in being around great others, man.
Right.
Because my boy already at the top. Y'all better catch him. Pay attention, buy them books, buy that merch. So, all organic, man. Come on now.
The two is like, I feel like, of course, I came up. I still got so much more to go. Like, I can see myself having a big compound. Like how these buildings is gonna be like a compound. I'm sitting in there, coming with different products, different designs. People bringing me ideas. I'm gonna be sitting in a ass office made out of all gold. Just looking at stuff like, no, they have robots down there creating stuff. I can see all this. How Kanye got that big compound. I'm a big old fortress. Watch, mark my words. Give me 10 years.
In his mental game crazy. That's why he already put it on the whips. Imagine what he ain't showing you. Imagine what's behind the scenes.
Come on, man.
When I say my boy go crazy with the literature and with the and I know he got all the products and the merch coming crazy too. So you got to pay attention, man. When you see somebody busting the moves, you got to hurry up and hop on it.
And you can't
Don't be late to the game.
Don't be scared to take them leaps of faith. You know, it's very important. Like it's your whole like destiny, your whole like fulfillment of your dreams is right in front of you. But it's a big old valley in between that. All you gotta do is jump. And you think you're gonna fall, but you're gonna fly.
Yeah.
You think you're gonna fall, but you're gonna fly. You can do it. Just do it like Nike say, man. That's why it's one of the coldest slogans ever. That's why I got a check mark. You know why? Because they did it. It's a check mark completion. People don't know that little stuff means so much. Just do it. Even if you fail, you tried. So what? The nigga that's laughing ain't do nothing. The same person that been there the whole time. Ain't did nothing great in his life. And you out here attempting greatness.
Bro, I've been away from Chicago for 4 years. When I come back, y'all still on the corner.
Still on the corner.
Y'all still making that $80 a day, but you smoking half of your profit.
Every time.
Come on now, man. You could be out here, like he say, in a mansion, in a big dumb crib, living life. Women out here, man, working, going home, going crazy, man. I met me a beautiful one out here.
Yeah, God bless it.
I see the king of downtown didn't even sat down.
Man, whoever thought that, right? You know what I'm saying? How you gonna remove the crown? That's crazy. But you know, everything's just God's plan. You know, I never foreseen that. You know what I mean? I was living my life in its purest form. You know, sowing my roll of oats in all directions. But when you know what I'm saying, God puts something on your body, on your mind, you gotta let it be what it be. You can't reconfigure that. You know what I'm saying? That goes from physically, mentally, or monetarily, man.
Yeah.
I know I'm a billionaire, so I gotta get to it. It's on my brain.
Big billion.
Yeah. A
Big
million ain't
B.
enough. Because I get a
See
million.
what Ye said.
Man, if I get a million, how I'm gonna feed my people the right way?
Yep.
That ain't enough. I need a billion so I get some millionaires. You know what I mean?
And we all need to get to it, man. Like they say, they making thousandaires, they making millionaires, they giving the game away.
Yep.
Literally.
Literally.
All you gotta do is watch. Don't skip them commercials, like you said. At least watch them 30 seconds.
Please give me something.
You know what I'm saying?
And like I say
crazy.
too, the most people don't know, like the average black man only make $34,000 a year. I said that before. So if you make above that, nigga, you already beating the ecosystem. You know what I'm saying? You already beating the ecosystem. Nigga, make 100,000, you top 5% of the world.
Yeah. So y'all gotta pay attention to all the successful people, like what he just said. Right. 34,000 a year, man. Divide that by 365.
Come on, man.
That ain't nothing.
That ain't nothing.
Y'all better pay attention. So jump it up. 10x that joint.
10x that joint.
You know what I'm saying?
Start off trying to make $100 a day off your own product. Then get to $200 a day in your own product. Get to $300 a day in your own product. When you get to that 500, you in the golden rim.
Yep. You know 500, you killing the game.
500, boy, you ain't worried about nothing. You moving around a little different. You know what I'm saying? So that's the end game. Just to start off feeling real comfortable and living a good life is that 500 a day. And that's simple to make once you put your grind into it.
And then you hear him saying it's simple, so I think y'all should just go ahead and jump to the 500 a day. At least try it. At least go crazy one time.